Hello students, I am Madhukar Supin, Department of Chemistry, Vijayanagar College Hospital, belongs to VSK University, Ballari. I am taking the chapter Quantum Mechanics Part 3 for BSc 3rd Sem. Under this we are studying now Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. Statement for this Heisenberg's uncertainty principle is: it is impossible to determine simultaneously and accurately both the position and the momentum or velocity of the particle like electron. That means it is very difficult to determine simultaneously ಒಂದೇ ಟೈಮ್ಗೆ accurately ಕರಾರುವಕ್ಕಾಗಿ position and momentum or velocity of the particle like electron. We can explain this statement by using this mathematical expression now. So Heisenberg in 1927 showed that the product of the uncertainty in the position of the body is taken as delta x and the uncertainty in the momentum delta px. You know the designation for this momentum is p. So uncertainty in the momentum is delta px along x-axis is equal to or greater than h by 4 pi. That means delta x into delta px greater than or equal to h by 4 pi. You know that h is the Planck's constant. This is taken as equation number 1. If delta x is very small, this delta x is very small, that is the position of a particle is known more or less exactly, delta px should be large or uncertain. That means if delta x is very small, delta px should be uncertain. Similarly, if delta px is very small, then delta x should be uncertain. That means out of these two, one if it is certain, then another become uncertain. So we know that delta px is equal to m into delta px because mass of the particle is always constant. The change you can expect in the case of velocity of the particle. That means here we return this one where delta px is uncertainty in momentum of the particle. M mass of the particle, it is fixed one, it is constant. For mass of the particle is not changing. Delta Vx is uncertainty in the velocity of the particle. Then equation 1 becomes, put the value of this delta Px as m into delta Vx in this expression 1. So delta x into m into delta Vx greater than or equal to h by 4 pi, or we can write delta x into delta Vx. I will take this m into the denominator on the RHS side. So delta x into delta Vx greater than or equal to h by 4 pi m. This is equation number 2. This indicates the product of uncertainty in position and uncertainty in velocity of the particle is equal to or greater than h by 4 pi m. Now we will study the significance of Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. This principle exactly holds good for microscopic particles. Evidently, the energy of the photon is insufficient to change the position and velocity of the bigger bodies when it collides with them. To explain this concept, we will take a simple example. The light from a torch, you know the battery, torch falling on a running ball in a dark room, neither changes the speed of the ball nor its position. That means if you take a ball to that ball in the dark room, if you pass this light through the torch, then there is no change in the speed of the ball and there is no change in the position of that ball, because that ball is a macroscopic body. But if photon hits the electron, microscopic particles like photon hits the electron, then the position as well as the velocity of the electron are altered. That means changing, because I told that the electron is the microscopic object, ball is the macroscopic object. That means this is applicable only to the microscopic objects. To explain this, I will solve some simple problem here. A cricket ball is a macroscopic body weighing 100 grams is to be located within 0.1 angstrom units. There is small unit. What is the uncertainty in its velocity? And lastly, you have to comment on your result. Here, you have to write the solution. Given quantities delta x, uncertainty in the position of the cricket ball, delta x is equal to 0.1 angstrom units. This value, you know that 1 angstrom unit is equal to 10 to the power of minus 10 meters. So 0.1 into 10 to the power of minus 10 meters is equal to after simplification 10 to the power of minus 11 meter. Mass is given 100 grams. Again try to convert this into SI units in terms of kg. So 100 into 10 power minus 3 kg, because 1 gram is equal to 10 power minus 3 kg. After simplification we get 0.1 kg. This is the mass of this cricket ball. And you know the Planck's constant value H is equal to 6.626 into 10 power minus 34 joule into second. By putting all these values in this expression, we have delta Vx is equal to H by 4 pi m delta x. So H value 6.626 10 power minus 34 divided by 4 into pi value 3.14 to 0.1 mass. Delta x is 10 power minus 11. After simplification, finally we get this 0.527 into 10 power minus 22 meter per second. Very small value. Negative power of this 10 is minus 22. Very small value. Then what is the comment here? Very simply comment on this result is delta Vx is very small. This is, I told that 0.527 10 power minus 22 meter per second. So it is negligible. So this principle is not applicable to macroscopic bodies like this cricket ball, but it is applicable to microscopic bodies like electron or proton or neutron, etc. This is exactly applicable to the microscopic objects. If we calculate the values by taking that electron, we will get the values which are certain, but this is uncertain. This is very small. So this is not applicable to the macroscopic objects. Heisenberg's uncertainty principle statement will be asked in examination for 2 marks. And if the question is explain Heisenberg's uncertainty principle, you have to write that statement and the explanation, including the significance. It is for 4 marks in the examination. I hope you followed this one. Thank you all.